Yeah, testosterone replacement therapy, hormone replacement therapy. I started doing all that when I was 40. Yeah, it makes a big difference.
Makes a big difference.
Yeah.
TRT is cool. We have a whole video on this channel about should you use TRT? Is TRT right for you? I would highly recommend you watch it because I think it's pretty informative. We try it anyway. But the thing with TRT is that it can be absolutely transformational if you need it. But if you get your test levels back and they're totally normal, you probably don't need it. And one of two things will happen. You'll take it, you'll get all kinds of nasty side effects and waste your money, and you'll have to inject yourself all the time for no reason. Or you'll take the TRT and the injections are fine and everything's fine. It's not a bother, but kind of nothing will happen. So why are you taking it? TRT is awesome if you need it. A lot of folks ask me about TRT and I go, okay, so what were your testosterone levels when they were last measured? And they're like, yeah, like pretty average, but I'm like, what you mean, but motherfucker? If they're pretty average, bringing them up to average times 2 probably doesn't do a whole lot. If they're very low, bringing them up to average or beyond is going to do wonders for you. And many people hit what's called informally andropause when their natural testosterone production falls off in their late 30s and early 40s and sometimes mid 40s. And so Joe's timing for his TRT is actually quite good. So if you're really feeling low testosterone symptoms, any time in life is good, fine to get checked for a test, but it's really in your 40s and a little bit beyond that you might start thinking TRT is something to look into, and then you go get that test level checked and talk to your doctor.
The key to doing it, though, is to do it correctly. You're supposed to go to a doctor that's going to test your blood levels, test your nutrient levels, and adjust your diet first.
Bullshit. You go to the back of the Gold's Gym, there's a guy named Phil there. He looks kind of weird, but he's cool, trust me. You ask for all his best shit, you pay him whatever in cash, and don't ever do alcohol swabs or fresh needles. You just got to cut right to the chase and do the dumbest shit in the world. No, wait. No, Joe's right.
The first thing that happens is they want to find out how much you're sleeping, how stressed out you are, what are you eating.
Why? This is really important. A lot of people say they need TRT. They come to the doctor or they just come to someone who knows what they're doing in the gym and go, hey, I think I need TRT. There may be a probability of two things. One is what's causing all the problems in your life isn't low testosterone. It's the fact that you're stressed out of your mind. You barely sleep. You eat like total shit. You drink like a fish, etc. If you simply cleaned up your goddamn life, you wouldn't need TRT because there's nothing wrong with your testosterone level to begin with. All the bad shit you're feeling, all the bad health effects are from life circumstances. And if we put you on TRT, that's not going to fix shit. Second thing that can happen is your test levels might be low as measured, but it's because you're undersleeping like crazy, you're super overstressed, your diet is total shit, etc. So if we can take care of all those things, come back in a few months, test your test levels, examine what your test levels are again, and find you're well in the normal range. And no surprise, you feel amazing. TRT is not a bandage for an open gaping wound. It is an enhancement if you need it. But a lot of times the bad stuff in people's lives isn't because they have low testosterone. It's because they're awful at living the rest of their life. And sometimes their low testosterone is also caused by the fact that they have too much stress, they sleep like shit, they eat like shit, and they're basically booze hounds. If you cut a lot of that shit down substantially and improve your life, you may not need TRT. If you do improve your life and they measure your test again and it's still low and you still feel a lot of those bad symptoms, you'll feel way less once you clean up your life.